Hi students, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to discuss the DC's and DR's relation and angle between the two lines regarding direction ratios and direction cosines. See that first, if the DR's of the two lines are given by the equations 2L minus M plus 2N equal to 0, Mn plus NL plus Lm equal to 0, then the angle between the lines is 30, 60, 45 and 90. First, given lines you have to write. Given lines (2L minus M plus 2N is equal to 0, equation number 1, and second line Mn plus NL plus Lm is equal to 0, equation number 2. You remember that whenever solving of these two equations, from any one of the equation, any one of the value, either L or M or N, make as a subject. Which term we have to make as a subject is, among the two lines, which value coefficient is 1 or minus 1. That value you make as a subject. So here, 2L subject, L coefficient is 2, M coefficient is minus 1, N coefficient is 2. Among these values, M coefficient is 1 irrespective of minus or plus. So from equation 1, M value make as a subject. So minus M we can take this side, plus M is equal to 2L plus 2N. M value substitute in equation 1. Equation 2 value substitute in 2. So wherever M is there in the equation, N into, in place of M, 2L plus 2N plus NL plus L into, in place of M, 2L plus 2N is equal to 0. Now simplification, 2NL plus 2N square plus NL plus 2L square plus 2NL is equal to 0. First 2N square. After that 2NL plus NL plus 2NL. So total 5NL. For the convenience of factorization, you have to write 4NL plus NL plus last term is 2L square equal to 0. From these two 2N take common, from these two L take common. 2N into N plus 2L plus L, if you take common, N plus 2L is equal to 0. That implies N plus 2L if you take common, so 2N plus L equal to 0, N plus 2L equal to 0, and 2N plus L is equal to 0, N is equal to minus 2L, 2N is equal to minus L, N is equal to minus L by 2. So first N value, second N value. After that, if N is equal to minus 2L, what about M value? Like this also can calculate. So if N is equal to minus 2L, then M equal to, M value is 2L plus 2N. 2N means 2 into minus 2L, minus 4L, which is equal to minus 2L. Therefore, M is equal to minus 2L. If, another case, if N is equal to minus L by 2, then M is equal to 2L plus 2N. So, plus 2 into minus L by 2. 2 to get cancelled, minus L, which is equal to L. Therefore, M is equal to L. Now, DRs of the first line L1, M1, N1, according to the problem I am saying, generally LMN are denoted by direction cosines, but according to the problem LMN relation equation, so DRs are L1, M1, N1. L1 is first L value. We observe that here N in terms of L, M in terms of L is there. So L1 and L2 in terms of L only we have to write. So L1 is equal to L. M is equal to first M value minus 2L, N1, N means first value minus 2L. So in all the three terms, L will be common, L dividing by L, so it will becomes 1 minus 2 minus 2, which are L1, M1, N1. Come to the second one, L2, M2, N2. L2 means L, which are denoted by direction ratios, means while applying formula A1, B1, C1, according to the problem L1, L1. L2 is L, M2 is this one L, N2 is minus L by 2. I already said that in previous videos, whenever denominator is 2, so make these values will be 2L by 2, comma 2L by 2 and minus L by 2. Cancel all the denominators and write it 2L, comma minus L, and cancel that L values also, 2 minus 1. So these are the values as A2, B2, C2. Now angle between them. The angle between 1 and 2 is theta. Then cos theta equal to, apply that formula, mod A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2, divided by root of A1 square plus B1 square plus C1 square into A2 square plus B2 square plus C2 square, so which is equal to mod A1 A2 1 into 2 B1 B2 minus 2 into 2 minus 4 minus 2 into minus 1 plus 2 divided by square root of 1 plus 4 plus 4, that means 9, 4 plus 4 plus 1, again 9, but in the numerator if you observe that plus 4 minus 4 cancel, 0 anything is 0, cos theta is equal to 0, cos theta when it will be equal to 0, cos pi by 2 means 90 degrees, so comparing theta is equal to pi by 2, that is theta is equal to 90 degrees. Therefore, the angle between the lines is theta is 90 degrees, which is there in the fourth option. Thank you dear students for watching my videos. Please do subscribe.